was late and I was breaking, body shaking, soul still aching, scrolling through the echoes of the life I had before. While I sat there overthinking, in the silence slowly sinking, came a sound that set me blinking from the corner by the door. Just a shadow in the corner by the splintered bedroom door, and it whispered nothing more. I laughed though it felt hollow, asked the dark what I should follow. Will he stay or will he leave me, just another to ignore? Does his love still hold together, or will I be gone forever, buried under my own tether in the house of nevermore? Can I heal or am I broken, stuck inside this nevermore? And the bird hissed nothing more. A reminder that my beauty cracks the longer I endure. Every answer it kept giving cut me deeper, left me living like my purpose was forgiving all the pain I can't ignore. Like my only task remaining was to suffer and